No more low quality old blurry videos. Remini versus Neopix Video Enhancer comparison. Which one is the winner? Let's see. Hey guys, I'm Hamza from Android Ultra. Hope you're doing great and fantastic as always. New to channel, subscribe for more videos. Remini is really consistent on this type of interface. Photo enhancer, video enhancer, AI photos and the filters. Back to home screen, click on videos. Choose your video, click on enhance button. Everything is automatic, uploading, processing and downloading. Move on next tab. Neopix, this is the new option and really strong contender here in my opinion. Click on enhance button from the home screen. Choose the portrait for the faces. We have other models as well. You can see the preview or demo what to expect from what model. Another way, you can click on view all and choose the video, then click on drop down menu, choose the model. By the home screen, enhance button is the much better option. So here is the enhanced video. You will get 50 free credits as for now when video recorded on the new signups. One video roughly takes the 5 credits under 1 minute videos. So overall quality is great in my experience so far with the Neopix. We will compare in detail next later in this video to see how it stands against the Remini. Big expectations from this app. Neopix recent tasks also available, which is really good for the retention of your video for few days. Enhanced video as well, you can see the credits deducted about 5. You will get the 50 on the new sign up as when we recorded. Finally, the comparison and the conclusion. Remini look close to natural. Do not change eyes colors or try to invent the new something or the image video quality. On the other hand, Neopix really sharp, detailed, and the restoration effect is much more stronger, and even you can control the intensity. It's much better than the Wink or the Airvid portrait models. I have the news for all of you. I'm working on my Video Enhancer app. Check out my Video Enhancer playlist, 90 plus videos. What do you think? Let me know in the comments which one is the winner. Subscribe, like, share with others. See you soon with the new video.